political developments in the national capital, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is all set to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi very shortly. Meanwhile, the CM and our Council of Ministers have outlined a comprehensive summer action plan aimed at improving Delhi's water supply as well as air quality. Earlier, of course, Rekha Gupta along with her ministers met with officials from the Public Works Department and Delhi Jal Board to review road conditions and water supply in the national capital. My colleague Mehendi Garg joins us live on the broadcast to share more details. Mehendi, key visit lined up for the Chief Minister of Delhi. She's all set to visit the Prime Minister and discuss the summer action plan that has been chalked out by the new cabinet. Take us through what can we expect?
Well, indeed, Pia, right now all the eyes are on the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Now, they're very important to meet for today, as she'll be meeting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. And as per the sources that we are getting to know, this can be a courtesy meet as well, but there can be discussions about the Mahila Samman Yojana and also the budget planning that is to the meeting that is to happen today as well of the cabinet ministers and Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. So key decisions are underway right now, and talking about the cabinet ministers, then today from early morning all the ministers are on ground taking recce and going for inspections in their particular areas, in their particular constituencies regarding the local issues. And also Rekha Gupta is meeting the PWD officials, Jal Board officials and other officials, whosoever is responsible to tackle the local issues in the national capital. And also today there will be an important discussion that will happen regarding the budget and also the Mahila Samman Yojana, because it will be very challenging for the Bharatiya Janata Party to provide the promised 2,500 rupees to the women rather of the national capital. So yes, right now a key meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled. She'll be meeting CM very shortly, and yesterday also, Pia, she met President Draupadi Murmu and she also met the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and it was also a courtesy meeting, and there she got the blessings of both the senior leaders. And today she'll be meeting Prime Minister Modi, and she will also get the blessings from the Prime Minister, as she thanked the PM also today early morning while addressing the media, while meeting to the people who are coming at her residence, and thanked the Prime Minister Modi once again today to make her the Chief Minister and also to show trust in her for the next 5 years. So we can say that Team Rekha is on ground right now. It will be too soon, Pia, to contemplate that what will happen, but we can see the efforts, because on a daily basis the meetings are undergoing right now and all the cabinet ministers are on ground from early morning today. Yes, Pia.
Indeed, Mehendi, and there's an action plan that has been chalked out by the new cabinet. Its focus is on Yamuna, its focus is on the roads, on clearing the streets of garbage. It's also on, building new houses for those people who are living in the jhuggies. Could you take our viewers through what exactly are the broad contours of this plan?
Well, indeed, Pia, if we talk about the campaigning of BJP, then it was completely restricted to the local issues, the Juggiwalas, and also the air pollution, the Yamuna cleaning. So now we can see that after they have come into power, meetings regarding these particular problems are underway right now. And today also there will be a meet regarding the summer action plan where, seeing the situation right now, the increasing temperature right now. So it will be discussed that how will the new BJP government will manage the cuts of the electricity and the ongoing electricity for 24 hours, and also to manage the pollution level that keeps on increasing in the national capital. So talking about Yamuna, then yes, as the results came out, BJP from the very next day was on the ground and the machines have been deployed in the Yamuna to the cleaning as well. And as for the BJP leaders, as for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it has been promised that within 3 years the visible changes will be observed in the Yamuna as well. And there are discussions about tackling and combating the air pollution as well, because it is a big challenge for BJP to cure all these problems. And right now, national capital is surrounded with not only the local issues, but also the major issues like the air pollution, the water pollution, the Yamuna pollution. So all these, issues are into consideration. And today, the big meeting regarding the summer action plan to tackle such scorching heat and also such increasing temperatures will be discussed, and also the relevant relevant minister Ashish Sood for this particular ministry. He will be also
Indeed.
meeting
And
the officials
Mehendi, you
whosoever.
speaking about Ashish Sood, and what we're learning at the moment is that Ashish Sood is in fact inspecting the Janakpuri garbage area. He is taking a stock of the situation currently. He has in fact reiterated that the Delhi government's action plan of course focuses on tackling garbage, and he stated that the Rekha Gupta government has given an order to the Public Works Department to remove the waste in fact and debris from the roads. He's in fact also spoken about the same thing. Let's listen in before I come back to you.
रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार पीडब्ल्यूडी सड़कों पर अवैध कूड़ा, अवैध मलबा बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी। पीडब्ल्यूडी की सरकार, रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार ने पीडब्ल्यूडी विभाग को आदेश दिए कि सभी सड़कों पर से इस प्रकार के कूड़े और मलबे के ढेर हटाए जाएं। ये पंखा रोड को भी लोग अब कूड़ा रोड कहने लग गए हैं। इनको हटाने के लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं। इसीलिए आज हमारे सभी मंत्री अलग अलग स्पॉट्स पर काम कर रहे हैं। हम इस कूड़े को वापस इसकी हद में पहुंचाना नगर निगम का दायित्व बनता है। इस कूड़े को हटाए और इस कूड़े को फैलने ना दे। मगर वो देखिए कितनी दूर ढलाव है। ढलाव को छोड़कर ये किलोमीटरों तक कूड़ा फैलाकर दिल्ली की जनता को परेशान किया जाता है। अगर वे लोग इस कूड़े को संभाल नहीं सकते हैं तो मेयर को और यहाँ के पार्षद को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
Indeed, there of course you are seeing Ashish Sood speaking about one of the crucial goals of the new cabinet, that is the sanitation exercise to clean the city streets of garbage, because Mehendi, monsoon is just a couple of months away, and another key priority is the desilting of roads and sewers ahead of that season in order to stop the water logging and compound the that compounds the garbage problem. So take our viewers through what exactly is included in the action plan as far as cleaning Delhi is concerned, and what exactly is happening as far as the inspection by Ashish Sood is concerned as well.
Well, indeed, Priya, as I was also mentioning, that all the cabinet ministers are on ground and are in their particular constituencies. And Ashish Sood he's from Janakpuri, he's the Janakpuri MLA also. So he went early in the mornings to do the inspection in particular areas, and he, himself cleaned some of the roads as well. But talking about the Rekha Gupta government, then he said that she will not tolerate, as in the government, the new government will not tolerate illegal waste and debris also on the PWD roads. And not only this, Pia, but also a meeting is scheduled for today to discuss the summer action plan, and it will be very, crucial for the BJP to discuss these issues. And as you also mentioned, that monsoon will hit the national capital in some time, and it will be very challenging because for the visuals, national capital when the monsoon the Delhi gets flooded, the garbage gets accumulated in the particular places, so it will be very challenging to make these decisions and to combat all these problems and to avoid the fluctuations in the national.
Indeed, Mehendi, stay on, because it's not just Ashish Sood. You've mentioned rather aptly that other ministers are also taking rounds in their respective constituencies. They're also going to other areas to carry out inspection. We're being told that Parvesh Verma is now inspecting the PWD projects at Bhairav Marg and is interacting with officials on the spot to take stock of the situation over there. We are of course seeing those visuals on our screens at the moment. So what's happening at Bhairav Marg?
Well, indeed, Pia, Parvesh Verma is also on the ground right now doing inspections of different areas in his constituency. And now he is at Bhairav Marg to inspect the local issues, the roads there, the potholes there. And he also, will meet the PWD officials regarding the situations to better the situations. And we can see the visuals as well right now that not only Ashish Sood, but also the other cabinet ministers are on ground. Parvesh Verma is visible, doing the inspection at the Bhairav Marg right now. And he is, also responsible for all the local issues right now, we can say, and a huge responsibilities are there on Parvesh Verma as well, because Delhi is completely flooded with the local issues, whether it's the condition of the roads, the garbage issues, the desilting of the roads, and the we can say the sewerage issue is very bad. So we can say that Parvesh Verma will be on, on the eyes of everyone and will be responsible for all these local issues. So right now he has started his work, we can say, and the efforts are on the ground because right now he is on the ground doing the inspection at Bhairav Marg, and not only Bhairav Marg, Pia, but he'll also visiting some more places after this particular place, and there also he will be doing the inspection. So it is very important to see that how the team Rekha, we can say, is on the ground and, meeting the people, meeting the officials, and, understanding the situation that is there on the ground. So it is
indeed. And Mehendee, just a quick follow-up to that. And my last question on this piece of news that we are tracking from the national capital. The Delhi government is also going to present its, the BJP Delhi government is going to present its very first budget very soon. Will that crop up in the discussion between Rekha Gupta, I beg your pardon, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi? What are your sources telling you?
Well, indeed, Pia, right now Rekha Gupta is all set to meet Prime Minister Modi, and it is expected that, the discussions about the budget and specifically about the Mahila Samman Yojana can happen according to the sources that we are getting to know, because it is a very challenging task for the newly, appointed the Chief Minister also and the new BJP government in the national capital to provide the women of national capital 2,500 rupees. So yes, there is a chance that, she will be discussing this major issue with the Prime Minister also and getting his reviews and his guidance over this issue, and after that only she will be sitting with the respected officials and also the representatives to discuss the budget plan, because the Vidhan Sabha session is also underway from 24th to 27th. The Vidhan Sabha session will also be conducted, and in that also there is a possibility that Mahila Samman Yojana will be discussed in that particular session as well. And the war of words have already been initiated because Atashi, the former CM, has already targeted Rekha Gupta, mentioning that it was expected that she will talk about the Mahila Samman Yojana in the very first cabinet meeting, but as of now it is not being discussed. So these are the targeting that has been started by the opposition on the BJP government, the newly formed BJP government as of now. So it is very important for Rekha Gupta as well to sort these things out and to have discussions with the officials and to implement the Mahila Samman Yojana as fast as possible. And also it is expected.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.